Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear students, today we will do additions with regrouping. So here we are doing regrouping of ones. Okay, so when we have more than 9 ones, we can regroup tens, 10 ones in 110. Okay, so let's start. You can see in this. In this we will do regrouping of ones. Regrouping of ones. Yes. So what I have these blocks. Okay. See, I have these blocks. So first I have to count these blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have these in horizontal and vertical. We have 10 blocks. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now these blocks are 100. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 these blocks green color and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of yellow color. So if I ask the total blocks I have, so 126 blocks I have. So I have to add these yellow blocks to this block. Okay, to these blocks. Okay. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to add 5 in this. Okay. So how we do regrouping in this, I will show you. See, first we have to write down the places. See, ones, tens, and 100. So the number is 126. So we have to write 126. Now how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have and these are 5 blocks. So we have to add these. Okay. So how we regroup this? First, what is the first step? First step is this. First, we have to add the numbers that are placed at ones place. Okay. So we have to add these numbers, the numbers that are placed at ones place. So 6 and 7, 6 and 5 we have to add. 6 plus 5 is 11. So we have to give ones to. So see, this is the answer of after adding the ones. So here 1 is in ones place, so we have to write in ones place, and this one is on tens place, so we have to write below 10. Okay, then this is the regrouping of ones. We give the tens to the 10 numbers. Okay. See, 1 plus 2 is 3, and we have to write 1 as it is. So we get the answer 131. After adding 126 and 5, we get the answer 131. So this is how we can regroup the ones. Now we can regroup the tens. See how we regroup the tens. Okay. We have 126. Now we have to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 and 71, 72. So these blue blocks we have 72 and we have to add these whites also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 72 plus 6 is what? 78. So the second number is 78. Now what we have to do? We have to write the places. See, we have to write the places. Ones, tens, 100. Now we have to write the numbers. So what is the first number? 126. Then we have to add 78. Now we have to add the number. See, 6 plus 8 is what? 14. So we have to give 1. So this is regrouping of ones. Now we have to do the regrouping of tens. So then we have to add the numbers that are placed at 10 place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. We have to write, see, 10. So 0 is placed on tens and 1 is placed on 100. So we have to write 0 on tens and 1 on 100. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so this is the answer, 204. Okay. See, now we will do regrouping of 100. See, we will take the number 341 and the second number is 724. Okay, now we have to add both these numbers. Okay, now we have to write the places, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Why we write 1000 here? Because if we are regrouping the 100, so we get the answer in thousands. So now we will write the numbers 341. So see, we have to write the number first that are placed at ones place. So 4, then 2, then 7. Now we have to add these numbers. See, first we have to add the numbers that are placed at ones place. So 1 plus 4 is what? 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 3 plus 7 is 10. So 10. So the 0 is placed at 100 place and 1 is placed at 1000 place. So we give 0 to 100 and 1 will be carry over to 1000. So there is no number for adding. So we will write 1 as it is. So 165. So this is how we do the regrouping of hundreds. Now we will solve the worksheet of 3-digit additions with regrouping. Okay. Now see the first one. 3, 7, 7. So now we are regrouping the ones. So we have 6. So we have to add ones, tens, 100. Now we have to add 7 and 6. So after adding 7 and 6, so what we will get the answer? 7 plus 6 is 13. See, 13. So 3 is placed on 0. 3 is placed on ones and 1 is placed on tens. So we have to write 3 at ones place and 1 we will give to tens. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Then we have to write 3 as it is. Okay. So this is how we have to do the regrouping of ones. See, like this you have to solve all these parts, regrouping of ones. Now see the regrouping of tens. See, now we will solve the regrouping of tens. You can see the first part 3, 7, 2. Okay, so we have to write the places ones, tens, 100. Now the second number is 96. So we have to add these two numbers. 2 plus 6 is 8. 7 plus 9 is what? 16. So 6 is placed on tens and 1 is placed on 100. So we have to write 6 at tens place and 1 we will give to 100. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So what we get the answer? 468. We get the answer. Now see mixed practice. Okay. The numbers. So first we have to write the places ones, tens and 100. Then we have to write the numbers 2, 4, 1, 3, 0, 6, 2, 2, 4. Now we have to add these three numbers. 1 plus 6 is what? 7. And 7 plus 4 is 11. 1. We have to give carry 1 to tens. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Now see the 100, the numbers that are placed at 100 place. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So this is how we have to do the parts of mixed practice. Okay, you have to practice these parts. See. This Ashi had, so this you have to do in your notebook. Ashi had 612 stems. Her friend Ali had 329 stems. How many stems did they have together? So you have to write like this. Ashi had 612 stems. Okay, and Ali had 329 stems. Now we have to give the answer in total. So if we have to give the total stems, so we have to add both these numbers. Okay, 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 941 stems they have together. Okay, like this you have to solve this question, and next question you have to do by yourself. Okay, so you have to solve this worksheet by yourself. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.